As we know, charger dey play important role for person when dey use phone. Nobody when dey use phone go say e never been use charger for im phone. If you never subscribe to my channel, try make you subscribe. Vitex Communication. Like my video, share the video. So for today's video, we wan talk about charger for mobile phone. So if you dey use Android phone or you dey use button phone, you need charger wey go charge your phone fast. No be so? Na so. So for today's video, we go mention some of those strong charger when you fit use for your mobile phone, either for your Android or button phone. Most at times, na Android phone people dey look for strong charger pass. Sometimes button phone with long battery. So na wetin we wan talk about for today's video. If you never subscribe, make you try make you subscribe. Number one of those charger na Anker charger. This charger, e dey very strong well well. E go really charge your phone fast. Dem dey different type, different size and of different shape. Anker charger e strong well well. Number two na Oriomo charger. Everybody know Oriomo charger. Everybody dey say the charger strong. Na true, the charger strong. Oriomo charger too follow strong. The next one na Blackberry charger. We know Blackberry charger na. Some of these Blackberry charger dey come with long wire or long cord when you fit stay for far place charge your phone. Blackberry charger too, e dey very strong. The next one na new age charger. We know new age na tech company. Dem dey produce charger, dey produce power bank, dey produce cord and dey produce memory card. Their charger too, e follow strong. The next one na Amazon charger. Everybody wey know about Amazon go know say dem get good charger. We get different type of Amazon charger. We have the Amazon 360, the Amazon black and white, the Amazon 2A charger, the Amazon 3A charger. So Amazon charger too, e follow strong. The next one na Infinix charger. We know Infinix na mobile communication company. Dem dey produce phone, dem dey produce power bank, dem dey produce charger. So Infinix too dey come with strong charger. The next one na Tecno charger. Tecno too na still tech mobile communication company too. Dem too dem dey produce strong charger. Dem get different type, size and of different shape. Na so their price dey different. The last one wey we wan talk about na Untitled charger. Untitled na company wey dey produce phone. Dem too dem come with good, dem dey make good charger. Either their follow come or the spare wey dem dey sell for market. Dem dey produce good charger. So guys, I hope say you enjoy today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to Vitex Communication channel. Like my video. Follow me for my Facebook page. Follow me for TikTok. Thank you as you stay with me to the end of the video. Bye.